Sesiphilela ukutrenda, ama-views, ama-watch time hours. So much such that ukuthi ubuntu sekuyinto esesiyivele nje sayithatha sayikhipha ngewindi. Our bloggers, our YouTubers, our podcasters here on the YouTube space sebalahlekelwe ubuntu to a level that it's okay to make a story trend up to a point where you don't even see or you don't even care ukuthi abantu aba-involved kulesi story, abantu abathintekayo deeply and abahlukumezeke kanzima kulesi story, so much such that imizwa yabo ayisho lutho kuwena as a blogger, as a podcaster. The only thing ebalulekile kuwena ozogijima nayo is story after story, and you are busy finding a story into the story, out of the story, part 3 no part 5 no part 16 no part 17. Kodwa awuboni ukuthi balimele labantu. Awusakwazi nokuba no stop. This is no longer my area. I have done my part. Maybe umthetho must take over. Maybe people in psychology can take over. Maybe life coaches can take over. Maybe, just maybe, there is some sort of counsel that is needed so that things can get better or abantu baphole. Yeah. Hello, sanibonani, dumelang, igama uZandi, isibongo umfeka umalwandle lo, lwandle kalwela lwezibhekane zona isihambela lekude phezulu. Do join. Kunalesi story, I've been seeing Justice for Banele, Justice for Banele, is story, it's trending. And it's trending because it's into ekhulunywayo of late. Mama kaBanele uye kwi Hell and Back ka Owami. Owami brought uSisi obulawele umntana ngesihluku esibhlungu ngenye indlela. uBanele igama lomntana. Umntana ubulewe endaweni la bebesanda kufika khona, bebebasha endaweni. A couple of months down the line umntana uyabulawa kabuhlungu ngendlela engaqondakali, and the rumors are said to be ukuthi umntana ubulawe ucousin wakhe, and ucousin wakhe yena umekasho ukuthi all along ebecabanga ukuthi they are blood related, kanti cha abantu nje abebe close nabo to a level ukuthi they even became like, you know, there's that family that you meet ekukhuleni or introduce kuyona. Apparently yena uthi umkhulisile uNonhlanhla lo o accuse ngokubulala ingane yakhe. Istora senze ke usisi wethu ku YouTube uOwami part 1 uletha uma wengane, achaza uma wengane, akhuluma aqede. Alande accused number 1, of which is Ulungi ingane ka cousin lo accused ngokubulala ingane. Alande noNonhlanhla, uNonhlanhla omaka Lungi lo omsolwa okusolakala ukuthi allegedly waphunyuka washo ukuthi uBanele bembulala kwenzakaleni or bebekephi. Okay. Story siya trenda, ama numbers ayanyuka. I'm sure usisi uyayiqhenya ngomsebenzi wakhe awenzayo ku YouTube. Kodwa into A1 engizwisa ubuhlungu kunako konke iphathi yokugcina la ebalanda khona bonke. Ulanda abo accused nengane yakhe, naye ukhona khona lapha e-studio umaka Mufi. They are head to head with each other. When they are head to head with each other, lo accused ngokubulala une attitude and umana ahleka during i-interview. Agcine eduba ehamba, ekudubeni kwakhe ehamba ashiye elithi uzofa wena. Usho kumaka Mufi. With that being said, Owami did not waste time. hlezi phezulu kwesinye isitori esisha. Ufila kanjani usho Makabanele lo ofelwe ingane? Ufila kanjani ukuthi ukhazini wakhe has just told you ukuthi uzofa wena? Are we that sesiphelelwe ubuntu ngaleyo ndlela ukuthi asisayiboni, asisakwazi ukugauge, siyiweye into ukuthi elami ibanga, eyami role ihamba ifike la makunje. The only thing that matters ukuthi sitrende sibe nama-views on YouTube, sidume ngendlela esifuna ukuduma ngayo. Okokuqala, let's look at the facts. Angisho ukuthi uMakabanele ngiyamphikisa ukuthi ukhazini wakhe obulele ingane yakhe. Kodwa uMakabanele yinzwa bethi le ayishoyo ukuthi ingane yakhe ebulawa ukhazini wakhe. Ngamanye amazwi, it's speculations and assumptions. Akuna evidence etight eqinile ebonisayo ukuthi nabu ubufakazi ungibulalela ingane wena, except for izinto azizwe zishiwo nezishiwo yile ngane yakhe lo cousin accused ngokubulala, esingathatha ngokuthi le ngane yaphahluka. Njengoba kuye kushiwo ngesizulu ukuthi igazi lomuntu liyakhuluma, mhlambe kwakuyigazi likaBanele lalimnikeza ama-clues ukuthi bheka ngala, nayi la into kunokwenzeka ukuthi yenzeke ngakhona. That is a fact number one. Yes, kuthiwa uBanele ubulawe uNonhlanhla, uLungi knows because uLungi was there. The same Lungi kuthiwa wayeka endlini kaMakabanele the whole day, that day waze wahamba late. So ukuthi kuyasolakala ukuthi mekaphuma lapho waba involved, I don't know. Kodwa effect ukuthi uMakabanele akanayo proof yokuthi ingane yakhe ibulawe yibona. Speculations, assumptions, hearsays, and statements that are spoken recklessly are the only things that she has ukuthi ingane yakhe ibulawa ubani. Okay? uMakabanele uhambile waye ebantwini bomthetho. I will assume nami ukuthi abantu bomthetho, once again, they have failed another woman in this country ohlukumezekile. Okay, that's fact number one. Makabanele akanayo proof ukuthi ubani obulela ingane yakhe. Unama speculations, nama statements phela, nama hearsays. Okwesibili, mekeza lo o-accused ngokubulala azochaza iside lakhe le story. Into engiyiqaphelile, yena nengane yakhe. Okokuqala ngiqale ngengane. Ingane ikhipha izinto ezingenasidingo, isitshela ngokuthi uBanele was a slow learner, uBanele bekangafundi, iyayiphika yonke lento eshiwoyo ukuthi kwasetshenziswa intombazane ucupha uBanele ukuze afe and blah 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 blah. Okay, fine. Kusho ukuthi in a way bayaphika ukuthi bambulele. Okwesithathu, umaka accused cousin lo naye mekafika kwi-podcast usitshela izinto esingenandaba nazo. Okokuqala into ayi-highlightile, u-highlight into yokuthi uBanele mekashona khaya kubo kaBanele bekusakhiwa kungakopheli, wakhiwa as a result ukhishelwe kagogo wakhe. Ihlanganaphi? Well, that's her running away from whatever that she's running away from. Ifact yesibili engiza nayo, ukhona yini umuntu owake wavuma icala? Wese uzolivuma kwi-podcast. Kusisi ozifunela ama-views nokutrenda, o-makeuphile, ofake iy'nwele ezifana nalezi zikaZandile, ufike nje uvume just like that. Lo sisi esiphi i-skill or i-qualification or i-expertise anayo ukuthi angahlalisa phansi umbulali? Angahlalisa phansi umbulali azothi wena kuthiwa ubulela uzibanibani, awusichazele wena kwenzakalani ngalela langa kwenzeka u1 no2 no3. Bezoyithola impendulo? Hayi, ngiyazibuzela nje, bezoyithola yini impendulo? Worst case scenario, I never see this one coming. I know ukuthi owami ama-stories wakhe uyawafollow apha, ufike ukhulume ngomuntu kwi-podcast yakhe. Mekaqeda ukukhuluma ngomuntu uyamlanda lo muntu ebekukhulunywa ngayo i-style sakhe. But yabona-ke le, I did not see it coming. Wavele wabalanda bonke in one room. Ulanda umzali with a bleeding heart. ulanda umuntu ofuna ama-answers, ulanda umuntu ongena peace, ulanda umuntu engim-imaginayo ukuthi unezinsuku angazilali ecabanga ngalo kufa kwale ngane. Ulanda umzali okhuleliwe 9 months esiswini, wayithwala ingane yakho, wayipepa, wayinesa, wayikhulisa. Akekho umzali onesifiso sokungcwaba ingane yakhe. Akekho umuntu ofisa ukuzala ayokhanulela ibhawode bakuthethe isona push ukhanule aqhanje umntwana kuthiwa ure, it's a baby boy. Akekho umuntu onesifiso owumuntu wesifazane okwazi, sengikhuluma ngokwazi ukuzala, kokwazi izinseka, angimazi noma owami unabo yini abantwana, uyakwazi kunjani ukuyela ibhawode. Kodwa akekho umuntu owumzali onesifiso sokuthi adlule kuleyo process yokukhulisa umntana, uzala umntana, ungenele ibhawodi, umkhulise, umfundise, umgqokise, abe muhle, ufisa ukuthi abe yinto emphakathini. I-birth order ithi abantwana kumele banakekele abazali ezinsukwini zabo zokubusiswa uNkulunkulu, nasekukhulisweni kahle, nasekulaleleni abazali babo. Ingakho lithi iBhayibheli, hlonipha uyihlo nonyoko ukuze izinsuku zakho zande ezweni, because i-birth order, imvelo isinikeze lokho ukuthi abantwana kufanele bakhule, mebekhula bebefika a certain age, yibona in return asebenakekela thina. So akekho noyedwa umzali onesifiso sokuthi akhulise ingane and then jikijiki uye futhi oyizalayo. Umntana ozobizwa kuthiwe, yabona lento ayishoyo uMakabanele ukuthi ngasikwa the day uBanele eshona, ngasikwa ngakumenstruate same time, ngaya etoilet kwaphuma ihlwili. Umzali wamampela, izinseka leza, uyezwa uma umzali ngisho ingane yakho kuthiwa khona into engekho right, uma une connection egood nomntana wakho ngisho kuthiwa akekho happy la ikhona into uyakwazi ukuzwa. Izinseka ziyakutshela. Ingakho kuye kuthiwe abantu besifazane ababe nomusa, baba nomunya, kuthiwa yini, abantu besifazane kuye kuthiwe banomunyu ngoba banezinseka. Even ngisho uphumela ebantwini njengoba kuhlezi kushawa amaphara nje egangile nani, abantu besifazane abagcina sebekhuza sebethi hayi mani miyekeni manje mxoleleni. Abantu besifazane abavula iphinifa bathi bagxamalaze phezu komuntu ogangileyo eshawa elinyazwa ngani, ngoba banezinseka. Imagine the pain yokubizelwa ingane yakho efile, noma ngingathiwa ibigangile, noma ngingathiwa ibilungile, as long as kuyingane yakho ezalwa wena, uyibizelwe ikhanda, intamo iloose, ikhanda limabobosi, you have got questions. Ukuthi umntanami benzeni? Kuyavela ulungu uyasho, uzikhiphile izindaba ulungu ukuthi uBanele was even like a type of a child slow learner. Labo bantwana labo ukuba understanda kwami ngokwe psychology yami encane enginayo engayifunda ngayiyeka endleleni, ngoba ngabona ukuthi I will never survive ukusebenza ngabantu abahlukumezekile nabantu abaney'nkinga ezahlukahlukene, because I am too sensitive. And uma ngizwe story sensitive kungathi ngingenza something. Ngabona ukuthi la ngiyosebenzela ukondla abantu engihlangana nabo in my line of work. Hence it's even the reason why now mangabe ngenza izitori ezinye, I take it upon myself to intervene and make a difference, which is what we exist for as this podcast. But angikho lapho. Imagine umzali ubona yonke lento, unembuzo, kubhlungu, uyazibuza ukuthi le ngane engiyazi mina inje, ubani ongafuna ukuyilimaza? Ushilo uMakabanele ukuthi lo mntana bekaBhabhli, wayiconfirm ulungu ukuthi vele uBanele bekaBhabhli and bekayinto nje ethandekayo, beyinto nje ephila emoyeni ethandekayo. And then here you are wena, uzobiza umuntu osanaloyo pain. Inhliziyo kaMakabanele inehlwili guys, inehlwili elingazi ukuncibilikala anytime soon. Uzobiza loyo muntu, umhlalisa face to face nalo muntu whom you believe with everything that you have ukuthi uyena obulele ingane yakho. What is going to happen? Mawucabanga what is going to happen kuloyo ndlu, in that environment, what is going to happen? Yazi ngiyacela abantu abenza ama-podcast, abantu abenza i-content on YouTube, ake babe nomkhawulo. There are levels whereby you know ukuthi i-role yami ngiyidlalile ihambe up to this level. Ngimthande ubhuti owe-podcast, I think ubani uLunga igama lakhe, if I'm not mistaken, ngicela ningi-correct kuma-comment section. uLunga osenzele isitori sikaMakacwecwe answered, I saw a video where he answered the questions that I've heard about iCase yakacwecwe. uMakacwecwe angikaze ngisidoubt isitori sakhe, angikaze ngisiphike because bengisoloko ngisho ababuka ama-video wami bazosho ukuthi ngasho ukuthi ukhona yini umzali ophilile onormal ongenza into enje itrend kanti ayikho ophilile la ekhanda. Ngaze ngasho njalo mina ngathi ukhona umzali ophilile ongenza leyo nto because lento is gonna stay with this kid for the rest of her life. Ukuthi yake yatrend asingayazi ebusweni ukuthi njani. One day iyokhula ibone lento ku-internet and i-internet ayikhohlwa. Ubuyile lo bhuti wazosiphendulela umbuzo omkhulu ebenginawo mina bekuwukuthi uCwecwe, they find out after 3 days ukuthi khona into wrong ngomntana, futhi nakhona ngoba bebona uvisi ungaqhoboshekanga kahle. And there was a blood stain esingayazi ukuthi at that particular point in time yayiqhamukaphi because i-grape leyo eyayishiwo, the assumption was it had happened 3 days ago. Umbuzo wami engake ngawubuza mhla ngithi ngiyenza okugcina into kaCwecwe, ivideo ilokhunjana i-review kaCwecwe. Umbuzo wami wokuthi umdala usucabanga ukuthi uyintombi yakwenu evuthiwe eseyilungele ukuqoma nokulala nabafana. Umdala nje in your late teens. Well, mina I had sex in my teens. I had sex at 17 and I got pregnant right there and there. Kwaphela nje ngami kwaba quick. At 17 ngangicabanga ukuthi ngiwuclever. Leyanto uma kade uqeda ukwenza isex nomuntu wesilisa awukwazi ukuhamba, imlenze ngathi iyancancazela, angathi uthi ubonwa ngisho nawe umuntu ongakujwayele ukuthi hayibo kwenzakaleni uhamba kanjani. Ngani? Ngoba i-penetration it's meant to break i-hymen, and my breaker i-hymen leya ndwangu leya ebizwa nge-hymen yenzela umsebenzi wayo ukuthi ivale for ukuthi wena ubizwe nge-virgin. Mayihlephuka ingakho ubleeda ngisho ukubleeda. I asked ukuthi is it possible that lo muntu owanukubeza lengane it was a passion of crime, lento wayicabanga to a core, to a level such that ukuthi what kind of a drug amnika yona eyakwazi ukuthi ngoba uthi uMakacwecwe kwanuka itayara, ingane isho njalo. Lelo tayara uma ukuthi kwakuyi-chemical eyashiselwa ukuthi ingane ibe drugged. Ama-drugs amaningi siwazi, well anginalo kulwazi ngezinto zama-drugs, kodwa amaningi engiwaziyo nenge ngizwe izitori ngawo nesike sibuke ngawo kulama horror movies nani ikulalisa for hours, but yena the day esicabanga ukuthi wanukubezeka ngalo yamlalisa only for 45 minutes. An hour and a half late umntana wayesevukile ehamba normal engabonakala ukuthi unukubeziwe ngaphambili nangemuva wazihambela. Ngaze ngabuza kwenye ivideo ukuthi iyiphi le medication strong kangaka akwazi ukuyinika lo mntwana ukuthi ithi noma siphelile egazini, ngoba let us speculate ukuthi okay fine ke yalasta 45 hours or 1 hour, walala wavuka wakwazi ukuhamba ayogibela imoto same day, wafika nasekhaya walala, mekalala ngakusasa waphinde wavuke normal wahamba nje kwangabonakala ukuthi khona into wrong ngomntana. Ebehlala nabazali nabantu abathi. That was the question that I asked, ukuthi kwenzeke kanjani. Ngazibuza ngaziphendula, ngaze ngasho on the other video ukuthi ay cha lo muntu owayenza kusho ukuthi it was ilama crimes like it's a passion of crime where you plan everything to the T and you even research ngezinto ozozisebenzisa ukuze remove all the traces of evidence. Another thing that I asked ukuthi after 3 days ayisekho into DNA evidence eyayingathathwa enganeni ukuze kwazi mayithathwa iqhathaniswe nenye ngoba phela kusho njalo. That is why indaba ama-DNA yagcinisa usumsindo, because there was nothing to compare it with. Akutholakalanga lutho emzimbeni womntana, and siyazi i-biology le, it's simple biology. Siyazi ukuthi ngisho nawe nje umdala mawukade ulele nomuntu wakho kuthiwa abezempilo bathi ama-sperms ayahlala for a couple of days before aphume kwena emzimbeni. I don't know whether bathi it's a week up to 2 weeks, I don't know, but ayahlala more than 3 days lo shoyo, okuwukuthi ngaleli langa baya ngale sibhedlela kwakufanele atholakale lama-sperms emzimbeni kodwa akatholakalanga. Hence there was nothing to compare with because there was no foreign DNA emzimbeni wakhe bebemcheck. Angifuni ukuthi ngithi ubhuti wabantu wagijima nestory esingena ama-facts ngoba makulethwa story, now you run with the story. Hence it's the reason I don't even give a damn for abantu who always scream and shout at me baze bangithuka abanye uma ngiyipheka ngiyiphakulula i-guest mina maye ngilethela i-story. I wanna know the occurrence of evidence. That for me stems from the fact that I myself coming from an academic background. I'm assessing if I'm actually validating the story to the core. Okwesibili ngisuke ngikubuzela ukuthi ngifuna uku-assessa i-level yokuthi ungakanani umonakalo owenzekile empilweni yakho. Uma kuthiwa mina ngiyangenelela njengoba kunabantu engisebenzisana labo engirefera kubona abantu bami abaney'nkinga bazongenelela up to what level? Because all I do, I just take a link ngiyinikeze umuntu ikhansela, i-life coach, whoever, ngithi nayi link yomuntu engicela ungisizele yena. Ngimenzela lula umsebenzi ngoba this service, some of them are people in the academic space that I work with. Some of them are friends. Some of them are people who volunteered to do this for me. So angikwazi ukumgqilaza ngimnikeze umsebenzi o-extra qale phansi alandelele i-story as it is. Fanele i-patient ithi fika kuyena kube lula abuze umbuzo o-1, o-2, o-5 azi ukuthi fanele aqale kuphi ukulisiza. So wena mawuzoqhamuka la uzongishawuta uzongithuka ungitshela ngikhuluma kakhulu ungitshela ukuthi ngibuza too much ungitshela ngiyamphazamisa. This podcast akusiyena listen to my story. Sizokwenza umahluko la sizosiza abantu and ama podcasters indlela amanye enza ngayo iyanginyantisa ukuthi ubuntu buyephi ubuntu kwake kwaba kephi uyohlalisa umbulali angathi umbulali sorry allegedly uyohlalisa umenzi nomenziwa in one room. What are you expecting is going to happen? Awuna skills sokube counselor, you have no counseling qualification, you have no counseling certificate, you awubizanga ngisho abantu bomthetho in such a crucial story when you are planning ukubahlalisa ndawonye labantu, because if there was somebody who has got a skill, a Deborah Patta skill, but in a legal form, in a legal aspect of it, iqiniso ngabe liphumile ngabe simshayela izandla manje uthi hooray, a breaking ground story. We must remember as podcasters asiwona ama-journalists, asikufundelanga ukuba ama-journalist. We just ran with the passion. So it just amazes me ukuthi i-freedom esinikwa yi-internet it's taking away ubuntu. It's taking away the only thing that we care about is views, watch time hours, trending. Iyona ndlela vele kufanele siphile ngayo le. Hayi ngiyazibuzela nje. Angisho ukuthi ngcono, nami ngiyazazi I'm not perfect, nginamaphutha ami, and I know why I'm here. I've got my own reasons why I'm here. But iyona ndlela ekumele vele siphile ngayo le. As for uMakacoce, uma kuukuthi ngempela ngoba still namanje I refuse to believe ukuthi istory sakhe samanga, as much as it has been confirmed ukuthi it's a cold case nokuthi uminister uze wabuya naye wazoxolisa and kuyacaca nje ukuthi it's a cold case vele. Uyabona uma kuukuthi ngempela iqiniso leli ukuthi lesi story usikhandile, then this woman is a danger to herself, is a danger to society, and lezi zingane aclaim ukuthi unazo fanele zisuswe kuyena. Angifuni nokuyimenshina ke ukuthi already usebenza embuthweni. Angifuni nokuyimenshina ke ukuthi already usebenza embuthweni. Hey guys, kulungile. Sizoqhubeka sitrende noma singatrenda ngama-views awu-250 as long as ngiyazi into engiyenzayo ukuthi ngimele iqiniso. Ngike ngizwa abanye bekhahhabeza, hawu ke bekade sesifuna istory sika Miss bani kade senza kaso kamnandi uyaya. Hey, niyazi ukuthi siyasuwa. Ama-YouTubers can be sued. There is a number of them who has been sued for recklessly phatha amagama abantu. Abanye have cocked thousands of rands. Umuntu esiwile because kwi-podcast kukhulunywe ngegama lakhe. There is a story engaye ngasenza la engasi sengizosiposta ngasibona ukuthi se-sensitive. I withdrew it. I seeked i-permission emntwini ekwakukhulunywa ngayo ngoba kwakuwubaba wengane. Do you know ukuthi into eyasho ubaba wengane was an opposite, and he proved it to me ukuthi was an opposite of what the girl was saying about ukuthi ingane akondli. Esembheca wampeca. Nhlanhla leyo I advise my guests ukuthi don't mention the name. Into engisiza ukuthi I had advised her ukuthi don't mention the name, just say ubaba wengane. Omunye wathi waphucwa ingane yakhe. Loyo ke isitori sakhe sasivalid naye ubaba wengane ngaya kuyena ngamfonela ngathi ngicela uzwe kwi-podcast mawufuna, wathi akekho interested. And today kuyavela ukuthi yena baba wengane loyo owanqaba ukuza kwi-podcast uyena who's on the wrong, and ugijima waya kwilokhunjana kwi-family court. Lo court le, I'm assisting that lady, I'm trying to help her, counsel her ngama-professionals ukuze uma ngabe eya lapha abe ready. And I'm supporting her every day. Immediately uOmi makaqeda beduba lapha bethi uNonhlanhla ethi uzofa wena, baphuma bahamba baduba bahamba. Do you know ukuthi akuphelanga ngisho 2 seconds bephumile laba uNonhlanhla bahamba wasala eduma kabanele. uOmi bese efonini efonela whoever, are you in? Ubone ukuthi asinandaba kangakanani. Nangu umuntu wesifazane who's bleeding, is shouting, is screaming. Usefana nohlanya ukhuluma yedwa umntana abantu lapha kwi-couch. uOmi seka busy nefone. This has happened before in another podcast. That lady wahlukunyezelwa ingane yomyeni wakhe. Wakhala ngale the same thing ukuthi ubuntu kanti buphi. I was hoping for a sister that is going to comfort me, because that's what this person appears to be on social media. Angifuni ke bangisuke ngeke ngibasha amagama abo mawungazawazi, when you know you know. Wakhala usisi wabantu. What yazi bekade ngi-expecte that sisterhood ukuthi I have not told this story in a very long time. Usile igama lelo sisi wayaxoxa indaba yakhe. Wathi for a very long time I have not told this story, and I knew ukuthi vele bekuzoba buhlungu kuvuke kabusha, because bese kukudala ngagcina ukukhuluma ngaso ever since I've written a book about it. Bese ngicabanga ukuthi ngipholile, but uma ngiya lapha, because siyamazi ku-sisters ukuthi questioning yakhe is very good, so waprovoke waze wayikhipha le nto evusa ubuhlungu bakudala. Excuse me, makaqeda wenze njani? Uthi wathi kuthiwa nje cut i-camera wabese kafonini namachomi akhe. No continuity, no comfort, no whatsoever. Guys, abantu laba. Yazi, these are human beings esidila nawo, and it's not just human beings, it's human beings abandlule ezintweni ezinzima, abalimele. Asiyekeleni ukuzenza Debra Phatha ngezingane zabantu and then singenzi lutho emva kwalokho. And then singayazi singazi ukuthi i-role yakhe ihamba iphelephi. Especially if ungeke wenze lutho, ungaqhubeki ne-story. Especially if ungeke wenze lutho ngalokho, because it's a legal matter le. Into enomthetho, abantu umntwana ufile. Khona umuntu odinga i-closure. Khona umuntu odinga impendulo. And when uzodlala ngabo la ku-YouTube, ubathatha ubahlanganise ubafake ndawonye. Ubuzokwenza njani ukuba phakathi kwabo bekhona ophethe isibhamu ozofuna i-revenge ovele wakhipha isibhamu wadubula umuntu phambi kwakho? What were you going to do then? Ngoba that was a possibility. Umuntu ohlukumezekile ofuna impendulo o angry can do anything, and kusuke kungesiyena kungesikona ukucabanga kwakhe, kusuke kuyipain emcabangelayo, ama emotions amqhubayo. Hey, hayi angisho ukuthi ngithini. That's me and my big mouth. That's me and my big mouth. Big up owami. Hayi cha shemo khona muno. Hayi ukhona sithanda.